From fire and fangs to relentless ice, these are the planet's ultimate death traps. In Ethiopia, the Danakil Depression is a furnace where you face constant threats from toxic fumes and temperatures so high they can cook a human from the inside out. Your first challenge, breathe and don't die. Then off the coast of Brazil lies an island that is sealed off to humanity. Ilha da Queimada Grande, or Snake Island, is home to a staggering population of deadly vipers, including the golden lancehead, whose venom can melt human flesh. What's the most terrifying animal encounter you can imagine? Tell us in the comments. Your final test is all in Greenland. Here, just standing still is a risk. Surviving means battling hypothermia and outsmarting the apex predators that roam the endless ice. These are the planet's ultimate death traps. They are a brutal reminder that sometimes the greatest adventure is simply making it out alive. If you were captivated by this journey, like and subscribe for more extreme content.